155 out of 500, but I started today at 171. So I'm going to show you how to actually use AI for trading. And that really comes down to no, not predicting price. I'm sorry, but using AI, Cursor, ChatGPT, and all of these AIs in order to help you code out your ideas. You go from idea of how to trade, don't trade by hand because you're going to end up liquidated, but you take your idea that you might have and you backtest that idea. It's the RBI system: research, backtest, and then implement. So always start with research, dude. Maybe you're already a trader, so you have trading ideas. Cool. You got the research down. Now let's go backtest it. You got to use the code, but the AI is going to lead the way, dude. You have to learn a little bit of code, but I show you here on this roadmap how to code in Python. So if I can do it, you can do it too. I didn't learn how to code. I was 30 years old. I didn't go to school for any smart stuff like that. I was scared, to be honest. So now I just put everything here on this Notion and on this YouTube. I'm an algorithmic trader, and yeah, I just show you every single day what I'm building. And today I can't do the math here, but it's almost 200 AI credits I used today. This is how you use AI in trading. I'm going to show you everything. Lock in, bro. Lock in. You have access to this resource here at moondev.com. It's free. I try to give 2 free ChatGPT subscriptions out per day, and the Discord's here, dude. You have everything. I know you can do this, dude. I know you're determined. I know you're fearless. Come on, bro. Let's lock in for a few hours. It's a short video, dude. I promise. Just lock in, bro. All right, we got a lot of stuff to get done today, so I'm just gonna step on the gas. 777 to you, dude. I hope you are living well. I hope you get everything you ever want in this world, dude. You can have anything. You can have anything. As long as you know that, I'm gonna keep showing up and I'm gonna keep showing you everything. I'm gonna show you everything because I know you can have anything. Moondev.com has the roadmap resources. You can see this countdown here. Free ChatGPT in about 19 minutes here. I have something special for people here live. Trying to get this GPT access to everybody. I believe code's a great equalizer, and I believe that AI is only helping in equalizing. If you have access to ChatGPT and somebody else doesn't, you have an advantage. So if you can't have access to it, I want to get you access. So I'll talk about that here in about 20 minutes. But I have to step on the gas. Yesterday's results of the GE, that's step 1. So let's go ahead here and get our GE up and going. Let's go ahead and say, okay, I got this. Perfect. I got the download. I need to go ahead and put so I have this GE results, which is my evolutionary algorithms. I need to update these results here to the last run we did, but it's been a few days. It's been a few days. I had to cool it. And that's me $300-400 a day to run. And I can't do that every day, unfortunately. Not right now. I'm sure I could, but no, I can do that. I can do that. I'm just trying to be responsible. Trying to be responsible here. So let's go ahead and analyze what we did in the past first off, and then we'll figure out what time frame this was on. So 11/14. You can see that's 5 days of no GEs, but that's good. I need to do that every month. I need to make sure that, hey, every month we are going to step on the gas, but then we're gonna calm down. 302 spent and 18 done. Launching next 18 on the 30 minutes should be twice as fast. Okay, so reviewing, compiling and reviewing, compiling and reviewing the 30-minute GE test. So I have this machine learning algorithm that makes trading strategies for me. And I did it on the 30-minute, and it cost me, how much did it cost? It cost $500. So you can see on this supercomputer here on Lambda, it cost $500. So I need to go track those stats here. Okay, and then I want to get the next test up with the new grammar, review PhD's notes, Yeah, so we got a PhD, we got a mathematician PhD on the team. And he's got some notes. To be honest, still feeling homeboy out. Still feeling homeboy out. Good day. 777. Much love. 16 per run, but these are 60 generations. Launch 20 at. Okay, this should take about 11 hours. How do I confirm here? Let's go to the launch room real quick. So I've got this launch room down here. I just want to confirm that I'm right on here. Launched the 30-minute test of yesterday. Yesterday flopped on Prime Intellect. Back to Lambda. 11.8, perfect. Okay, so 11.9. I should have a folder down here somewhere that has all of my completed results. And dang, I don't like that. I don't like taking a few days off like that, dude. That doesn't feel good to me. I don't want to do that again. I think I'm just gonna run it up to the moon, dude. I think I'm just gonna run it up to the moon. The reason I don't like it is because now I feel like I'm out of rotation, but I'm gonna get right back into it right now. Right? So results here. Um so those are November 9th at 6:12, 6:25. So I have my results folder up here and should put them into the results. Okay. November 9th results here. 18, 152, 164. Which are the oldest results here? 9, 5:57 p.m., 6 p.m. There should be how many? How many results should there be? There should be 2, 4. There should be about 20. Okay. I'm looking at this folder here from November 9th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that's spot on, dude. So since that's spot on, did it have any data in here? There's no data in here, and I'm a data dog, so can't use that one. These gotta be it. So 149, I don't know what that is. Yeah, there's nothing in there, so okay. Parameters. Is there stuff in here? GE results. Best fitness. Okay. Best fitness. Best fitness. Okay, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking for 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ah, that's 19, cousin. They gotta have the best fitness in there. Okay, that's 19, dude. We're missing one. 1, 2. Oh, this one. No, that doesn't have it either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Do these have results though? Is this the same thing? This could be the same thing. G 164 and then AN43. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so these are just duplicate results. Perfect. Um, so in that case, I should be able to just pull these in here and be like, yeah, let's do that. Then I gotta get my data here. I see I only got 11 minutes before I gotta tell you about that Chat GPT, that free GPT. I believe code is a great equalizer, dude. I want you guys to succeed. I want to give you every resource that I can possibly afford to give you. I'm trying to show you everything. I'm trying to spend a lot of money on these things that nobody else on this the internet is gonna show you, dude. You can see I spent 500 on this, bro. I spent 500 just to I mean, obviously, I'm getting this done for myself, but ain't nobody else on the internet showing you this. So I'm trying to show you everything, the things that people won't show you. I literally spent $500 just for the data you're about to see, dude. See, I'm at 1645 this month in spend. So every day, I'm gonna keep blowing your mind because I gotta blow my mind. If I'm not blowing my mind every day, then I'm not doing the right thing, dude. I have to blow my mind. And ideally, if that blows my mind and you're attacking similar things, let's say skip, apply to all, skip, skip. Okay. All right, we got the data in here. We're data dogs now. Okay, so now we just let's go to our note sheet so we can stay organized. Okay, compiling, got them in there, moved the November 9th 30-minute test to folder. Now can run code to put on Notion. And I showed you this code here on YouTube already. For mother effing free, dude. It's all free, dude. I love you. 777. Just throw the 777s when you see me. That encourages me to keep going. You know I don't have to do this, right? But I believe in giving, dude. I believe in sharing. I believe in energy. I believe in physics. You get what you put out. You get what you put out. Backtest GEs, label GE runs, results, get, rename, and Notion. Okay, so this should start populating our Notion sheet. I showed you how to do this already, dude. It's all on YouTube. If you want to see how to populate this Notion, well, I'm about to run it because we built it. Okay. Success connected. All right, now it should start loading this up. You'll see new lines here coming soon. Hopefully, hopefully, dude. Yo, can I hire you to build out scripts? Probably not. Leave your Telegram, please. No, thank you. Yo, Alvo, what's up, dude? Marcel, what's up? How are you guys? 777, dude. Much love, much love. Much love. What's this saying? Entry already is there. Okay, so it's just going through the entries that are already there. It should add in the new entries here soon. 777 Egal. Egal, what's up, dude? I like your name a lot. Glad you're here, bro. Much love to you. How are you? How are you? Hope you're doing fine. Love, bro. Marcel, what's up? What's up? What's up? All love, dude. Every day. All love. Gotta stay in this state, man. You got anything in the world. If you lead with love. I read this really good book about it, man. I read a really good book. It changed my life. Joe Palmer, what's up, dude? The 777 and all this, dude, it came from one book. It's not direct from the book, but the book says if you lead with love, you can have anything in the world. As long as you lead, you stay in a love state, bro. I know it's like kind of corny, whatever you want to say. Okay, that's fine. But let's go, dude. Let's go. I'm gonna delete some of these because this is taking way too long. What's going on, bruh? Get all these 11 ace out of here. I don't want the 11 ace no more. Get them out of here. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Get up out of here. Wait, it says it's done. Huh. I think I broke something. No, it's there. It didn't show it in real time. Maybe because I was yeah. It must have been because I don't know why, but it didn't. It maybe because I haven't reloaded this page in a while, but you can see all this new data because it doesn't have the fitness score, and the fitness score is where we get that's the actual results. So you can see that it worked. It just trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. Hey, trust me, bro. It worked. Trust me, bro. This one is negative 120,000. Okay, 11.9. CP50. Damn, I love this game. I really do. I really do. I really love this game. Moondev.com. That's where you can get the free roadmap and resources. CP50 ES25. Okay. So this one here is minus 120,000. Yo, what was the book called? Let me tell you that in just a second. Because I can't even think of what the name is, but I'm going to figure it out. I got to tell you that book. I got to tell you that book. I need to read it again. I've read it like 2-3 times. It's just such a great way to think, bro. It's just like, yeah, duh. If you have a light of love in every single situation, opposed to like being all like whatever the scenario is, like you're in a fight with a loved one, and if you just know like how much you love them, the fight's gonna be different. If you're walking down the street and you assume that everybody is super nice and kind, and you leave with love, you smile at them, the interaction is gonna be different, dude. So do you think this one is negative 7 million, or let's see, look at the parameters here. Codon size, elite size 20, generation 60. This might be 7 million. This might be minus 7 million. I'm gonna say it, but I'm not sure. Minus 7 million. I got 4 minutes. I'm gonna tell you what that book is, and I'm gonna tell you about the free GPT, because I think this is gonna be a fire addition to the chat. Fire addition to the whole world, dude. Minus 300,000. This one here is minus 350,000. Minus 350,000. Am I still on though? Am I still on the right path? Let's do a quick check. 65. Yeah, I'm still there. Still there. Minus 400,000. Good. What's next? This one here. Mine's 140,000. Minus 140. Okay, this one here is minus 3 million. I wish you just had the numbers there. I'm not a big fan of exponents. Okay, 3 to the 7th, E7. So 3 to the E7 is how much? 30 million. Okay. And then 3 to the E6. So, damn. Because this one here said 7 million. 11,960. Okay. 960. 25. 960. 25. This one said 3 to the negative 6. That's a 3 million. So what's 3 E6? Bro, sometimes I catch myself just saying 777, much love. Copy path. Copy path. Copy path. That's all I be saying, dude. 777. Copy path. Oh my god. That's hella funny. Dre, what up, dude? 777, dude. Copy path. Oh, let's keep going. I don't know if this is 30 million and that's 7 million, but whatever. I think the point is we gotta get this one out of here, because this one, we don't even want this one. So let's just jump on. Let's skip that. Let's delete this. 70, 11, 9, 70, 70. It's a little harder. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. It's a little harder for you to see, but I gotta be able to drive the car, dude. I gotta be able to drive this car. I got this big ass screen and I can't even see everything on my screen, dude. I got 50-inch TV in front of me. 11.9 C70. 11.9 C70. ES25. Okay, there it is. Negative 350,000. Negative 350,000. Oh, we got 1 minute, dude. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna tell you after this. So I just really I was thinking about this for a couple days, figuring out how I can get AI into more hands because ain't AI, and like that's crazy because you'd be so much more productive if you could, you know? And I've lost touch with reality because reality is $20 is still $20, and not everybody can afford that, and I get that. But that doesn't mean you're any different than me because I could not afford that either. And that does not mean you can't come up with better algorithms to come out with so much better stuff than anything that I ever do. Dude, we're the same person. We're the same. We got the same color blood. And boy, our shit stinks. All right? So, I mean,
2 to 4, and now you're back at it again, 7 to 9. Look how much more training I have done by simply starting at 4, right? And so now you do that, and as the years go on, the separation that you have with
I feel like this one was
competitors
820.
just grows larger and larger and larger and larger and larger. And by year 5 or 6, doesn't matter what kind of work they do in the summer, they're never going to catch up.
They're never going to catch up, dude. They're never going to catch up. Stop it. You're going to step on the gas now, too. I said I'm going to give you free ChatGPT. I want to give somebody free ChatGPT right now. Okay. Let me get this set up. Let me do one more thing. This is going to take like 1 minute though. So I just need to get these stats. I want to close this project off. I just have to get these stats over here to reveal and finder. Okay. Final results here. I'm gonna try get all the 11 nines here. So 11 nines. That's nice. That's nice. Let's copy them, and I'm gonna put them into a folder here. Dev GE results. November 9. I'm gonna copy that. Oh, my Dropbox ain't open. Need to click that. Okay, so 11.9. Now I need to go to Notion real quick. Just want to keep my stats. I pay so much for these, There's 500 a run, dude. I gotta stay on the gas. 11, 19, 9, 18 tests. Ran on the 30-minute time frame. Data, okay. Results here. These are the results folder. Copy link. Okay. And then let's get a screenshot of this. 11.9. Oh, I didn't get the whole thing on there though. I gotta put 30-minute data. 30-minute. $11.9. Screenshot taken. Perfect. All right. 11.9 stats right there. Okay, I said free GBT, dude. Said free GBT. So this is what we're gonna do, dude. We're gonna go here to chat and say free chat GPT. And everybody gets access to this. Create channel. Free chat GPT here. and we'll put it under the Eclipse, the wins. Free chat GPT. Okay. And we'll edit channel here. The MVP of the chat each day gets a free month of chat GPT and members chat. That is 2 free. That is 2 winners per day, 1 per chat. The MVP of the chat and members only. Winners, MVP is determined. MVP is determined by mods and reactions to posts. By a combination of mods and reactions to posts. Mods, review, and reaction to posts. That's it. I believe code is the great equalizer, and truly think if you learn to code, then you will be able to build anything for the rest of your life. I thought this before AI even got here, but now AI is here. It's even more important to learn how to code, because then you will be able to use AI in order to accelerate your mission of whatever you are trying to build. So I want to pay for GPT subscription so you can go build faster. The rules are simple. Every day, our team of mods will look through chat and members chat to see who the MVP of the day was for each chat. That person gets awarded a free month of chat GPT, including O1 access. So you can step on the gas. Awarded. And if you continue to add value to the chat or members chat, you can keep free access to the chat GPT account for the following month. The idea is to reward those quant researchers researchers who spread value and love. This program starts today, and the first winner of the first two winners will be announced on Friday's stream. Every day there will be two winners of a ChatGPT subscription. One picked from the one MVP VP of the chat, and one MVP of the members chat. Ideally, yeah. Good luck. That's it. So I believe code is a great equalizer, and truly think if you learn to code, then you'll be able to build anything for the rest of your life. I thought this before AI even got here, but now AI is here. It's even more important to learn how to code, because then you'll be able to use AI in order to accelerate your mission of whatever you're trying to build. So I want to pay for your ChatGPT subscription so you can build faster. The rules are simple. Every day, our team of mods will look through chat and members chat to see who the MVP of the day was for each chat. That person gets awarded those two people get awarded a free month of ChatGPT, including O1 access, so you can step on the gas. And if you continue to add value to the chat or members chat, you can keep free access to ChatGPT account for the following month. The idea is to reward those quant researchers who spread value and love. This program starts today, and the first two winners will be announced on Friday's stream and every stream onward. Every day there will be two winners of a ChatGPT subscription. Paid for in full by me for a month. Just want to make sure that's super clear. Okay, so let's pin this here. I know this is taking a little bit of time out of coding today, but I think the thing that gets me so juiced about this dude is it's exponential. You know, like I can show you everything every single day. I can give you all of my roadmap, my resources, all this stuff, but I want to keep building things that are exponential growth for you, dude. Because if I can go ahead and spend $20 a month on some dude out in Africa that doesn't have access to ChatGPT, but literally is the same person as me. I was just born in America where $20 is not a lot. And now he can step on the gas for 30 days every single month. That's so life-changing, dude. That gives me the chills. That gets me amped up, bro. That's why I share this stuff. Because we build this community. And we all step on the gas. We share, dude. It's amazing, bro. That just gives me the chills. I'm so excited to start paying for some of these. I'm trying to pay for like a bunch of people's ChatGPTs from here on out, because I think that, you know, if you have access to AI, and somebody else doesn't, obviously, you're gonna win. You're gonna beat them. So free ChatGPT, that is there, and I just want to go ahead and put that here as well. So Discord community and free chat GPT. And then if you want to qualify, if you qualify for free chat GBT, for a free chat GBT account, check out the free chat GBT channel. It's all explained there, but I give out 2 paid subscriptions per day live on stream to the MVPs. Read more on in the channel. Okay, sick. All right, sweet. All right, sick, sick, sick. What else? What else? What else? Okay, you know about that. Now let's get back. Let's get back into it. Let's see here. I live in Botswana, he says. Marcy says. 777 Tyler, good to see you. I think for today it's me because I'm from Pakistan. 777, dude. 777 is passing good vibes and love, dude. So you can check it out here. The book I was talking about earlier though, where is it? The Creation Frequency. The Creation Frequency. Creation Frequency. That's the book. It's on my book list actually. And this is all free on moondev.com. It's the roadmap and resources. And let's see here. Could you make an MVP of the month prize is Apple Developer Program or something, a bigger prize? Just a suggestion. That's a good idea, dude. That's a really good idea. Um, Apple Developer account wouldn't make sense because we're not building that stuff, but that's a really good idea. Maybe if it's something a little more on path, I'd be interested in. I use ChatGPT all day, and I know some people can't. So, can you prepare a group YouTube channel in Discord page? What you talking about, TT? 777 Faye, good to see you. William 777, dude. Can I add multiple strategies in one bot to secure the win, to secure the bag? Rico 777, dude. Mario, good to see you. 777. Confused on the caption. Are you giving out ChatGPT subscriptions? Yes, I gave one out, or I'm giving one out tomorrow. Andre 777, dude. I like physics and tech. New here, following back everyone. Looking forward to learning from everyone. Bro, sometimes I catch myself saying 777, much love. 777, much love, dude. Much love. Okay, so let's see. got results of GE1. Let's go to our README here and let's keep it precise today, dude. Keep it precise. So compiling and reviewing the 30-minute test, get the next test done. So I gotta take a little whizzle, but after that, well, let's get this next test up. Let's what is the next test? Let's figure it out first. So I've done the 30-minute, I've done the 15-minute. Oh, I gotta do the bad boy. I gotta do the bad boy. I gotta do the 1 minute, dude. I gotta do the big dog. I gotta do the big dog, but I think that I'm gonna move on to the next grammar. Get the next test up with the new grammar. So I think that's the new play. Read through the changes of this and then go ahead with the new gram. You can see here that I don't know what's going on in this market, but Apu, Shark, Doge, Sui, Mood. Oh, Moodang is going crazy, huh? What about bots for trading stocks? What about them, dude? Why would you be a boomer? Why would you be a boomer and trade stocks? You get the free roadmap and resources when you join the email list. All you gotta do is join the email list here. This is the boot camp, but you don't have to join it. It's just for those that really want to step on the gas. 777 just finished meditation and logged into YouTube and TradingView. This is the first thing I'm drawn to. Thank you. Yo, thank you for being here, dude. I just finished a medi too. I just got a nice little 20-minute medi in after a little workout and a little dog walk. Beautiful morning.
Choice, right? You just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide.
Just decide,
and then
dude.
from that point, the universe is going to get out your way.
Gonna get out your way, dog.
It wants to move and go around stuff, you know.
Vibes. All about vibes, baby. All about the good vibes. Yes. Okay. So let's go here to, I want to look through this document here. So first things first, review the new notes here. Let's go ahead and see. I think I wrote these down actually. The new grammar, new indicators, run, test. This is it. Pop size this. Okay. So sweet. We've done this already. Woo! That's nice. That's nice. ES 1000, elite size 10,000. Okay. Try the 15-minute, 30-minute, and then 1 minute. Okay. So I need to go ahead and let's think about this. What do I need to do here? Let's first go ahead and get the new indicator. All right. What a new grammar file. Okay. So we have two new grammars. Two new grammars. Who this? Okay, those are our two new grammars. So, okay, are there any other files though? Oh, snap, dude. I need to spend a whole day doing that. Spend whole day testing these strategies. I don't know if I'm gonna get there today, but dude, I got a lot on my plate, bro. I got a lot on my plate, bro. So I think I'm just gonna get the new grammar in here. Just go ahead and do that. So get hubbity, bubbity, hubbity bubbity boobity bobbity. Hubbity bubbity boobity bobbity. We back in the GitHub again. Look at us. Okay. I honestly think I just GitHub pull this. Yeah. Hmm. Well, I'm gonna copy this over. I'm gonna be a noob with this because I have to be. I just effed up my GitHub. It's okay. Let's go to fitness. This is good. This is good. Max fitness number cash. Okay. Let's call this fold ideas. Fold passing. And then we'll call this max fit. Don't F it up, dude. Number cash. Trying to paste it in, okay. And then we need to put in our data here. Data da. Okay, and then we're gonna use the 1 minute data first. Well, nah, I think I'm gonna do the data here, data sets here. Let's try it with the 30-minute first, copy path. Okay, it's in there, perfect. In there like swimwear. What else do we need to change? Indicator signals.py. Okay. So indicators here. Let's go to indicators. That is under source indicators, source fitness indicators. Damn, I was just there. Signals here. Okay. There we go. Signals is in there, like swimwear. Back to source here and say fitness. Let's go to point G2. Grammars. We got a couple new grammars because we country with it. See, all young kids don't even know what I'm talking about when I say country grammar is the funny thing. They're like, what is he talking about? You don't even know what country grammar is, boy. Go ahead. BTC, no, indie, combo, number, .pyb, BNF, okay. And this one's called BTC RES V 2024 1108 dot PY BNF. Okay. PY BNF. Let's copy that grammar up in that B. And then let's also do that for the no indies here. BTC no indies here. Yo, what am I doing? Something wrong there. I need to change this name. BTC no indie. Let's just copy paste, dude. Stop being a dipweed. Stop trying to be so slick with it. Trying to be so slick with it. Don't be fancy with it, Moon. Don't be fancy with it. Copy paste. Copy paste. Copy paste. Copy path. Copy paste. That's all you do, dude. All you need to do here is copy path and copy paste. Okay? Copy path, copy paste. Okay, we got it now. So we got our grammars in here, and I think that's all we need, dude. So now I think we're pretty Gucci with it. So let's go ahead and see if we can run it. Say service, copy path. Let's go to new terminal here. New terminal. Okay. Conda, activate, T-flow, CD, up in that B. Oh. SRC. Okay. And then we're gonna say run it. Run it up, 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 run it up all day, dude. Come on. Come on. Step on the guy. Gas is there for a reason, bro. Come on. Where my thing at? Just show me where my thing is. Copy. Copy. Remember that, Moon. Remember that. Just copy. You've done this all before. Just vibe out, bro. Vibe out, dude. Vibe out. Vibe out. You got all this here. You got all this here, dude. You got all of this already here. Okay. So we want to go ahead and test this number cache. Okay, let's go over here actually. Copy path. So there's new things I want to test here. So many notes, so many ideas, so little time. Okay, that's what we're going to run. But actually, I want to change this up here to say run this week. Okay, this one actually. So it's this one. We're going to run the no indies first. ES 1000. Interesting. To run population size. Here we go. That's the grammar here. Country grammar. Let's see if we can run this, dude. Oh, beautiful. No, not beautiful. Not beautiful yet, dude. Come on, dude. What's up? Where did I mess up? Where did I mess up here? Did I spelled something wrong, didn't I? Bo spelled something wrong, didn't he? He freaking spelled it wrong. I knew it. You should have just written it. You should have copy path. Copy pasted. No ends. V 2024 1108. Looks Gucci to me, shorty. Looks Gucci to me. Fitness BTC no ends 1108. That looks so Gucci to me. Come on, dude. Am I tripping or is she tripping? BTC no underscore ends V 2024 1108. Okay. Rename. This mofo. Get up out of here. That's the same name. I'm fairly confident, but clearly it's not. So that's the same name, dude. I didn't change anything. Utilities. 11.8. No fitness file for. PY, BNF. It's in the grammars there. Let's see what happens with this other one here. Because maybe I'm off. You know, it's been a few days, dude. It's been a few days. Okay, so that one's working. I think I need to change it in. Oh, sorry. I messed up. So I put it in the wrong portion here. Sweet. All right, I'm just glad I know what I did because I was literally so confused right there, dude. I was literally so confused. Like, Moon, what did you change? What did you change here? You put the file in the wrong path, dude. It's okay. It's okay, dude. The grammar is actually right here, dude. Come on, this is a grammar. You tried to change out the fitness file. You can't change out the fitness file. You gotta stick with that same fitness file, dude. You gotta stick with the same fitness file. You can only change the grammar, and you know that, dude. Come on, gas it. It's just been a couple days. That's why we do it here. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna run this, and I'm gonna start getting this pony. Oh, it's not that fast. 404. Okay. Not. We need to up this size to 30. Maybe we'll do 40, and we'll do generations of 3. We'll do generations of 3 because it said 404, and that's not a good sign. Not a good sign, fellas. Not a good sign. That means there's a problem. But let me go ahead and launch this Lambda cloud just so I can have some fire under me. How about that? Let's get some fire up in here. $14. $14 per hour. $14 per hour. Launch that, B. I agree. Okay, $14 per hour. You can see I'm running it up all day for you, dude. And me, of course. No cap. Of course. Okay, so you can see this had an error still. So I want to see what that error is. How do we find the error? Damn, now it's burning. Why did I launch that so quickly? I don't know. Because I like it. I like the thrill, dude. I like the thrill. I like to know that I'm burning cash right now. I like it. Parameters, seed, source, okay. Scripts, fitness, okay. Let's look at the number cash here, okay. CD, okay. Let's go ahead and print it out. Print here. Okay, let's run it back. Because it got a 404 average fitness, meaning there's an error somewhere. Fitness.helper functions. Get var lag. Performance fitness helper function. So maybe the helper function has been changed. So inside of here, Pony GE2, fitness performance. So this would be under source, fitness, performance, helper function. New helper function added. That's my bad. This is why we do this, dude. Okay, save. Now let's run it back. Can't compute on empty list. Fitness function here. I've seen this before. Fudge. What was it? I'm gonna kill this server. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for it, dude. I know how I like it, but I like the fire, but she I was capping. I got scared, dude. Okay, let's go figure this out. So I've seen this error before plenty of times. So I have a log of errors, which is good. And can't compute index. This might be errors that don't matter. Yeah. So first off, let's try that. I don't think it is one of those errors that don't matter, but Pool objects cannot be passed or pickled. And I think this is from the search parameters, if I remember correctly. But what do I remember? My memory is kind of weak, dude. Supervised learning, regex, scripts, fitness algorithm, search loop, pool, multi-core. Get individuals, search loop. So initialize run here. Let me try
Two to
out.
four, and now you're back at it again. 7 to 9. Look how much more training I have done by simply starting at 4. Right, and so now you do that, and as the years go on, the separation that you have with your competitors and your peers just grows larger
And larger and larger and larger and larger.
And by year 5 or 6, doesn't matter what kind of work they do in the summer, they're never going to catch up.
They're never going to catch up, dude. They're never going to catch up. Okay, so data set, 15-minute, same error. So it's not a data problem. Okay, there we go. So it works on the 1 minute, but doesn't be 5 minute because we just tried that, right? I don't know if we did actually. So it works on the 1 minute. Nope, not like that. That's not how you do it, bud. Good try though. Good try, dude, but nah, not gonna work like that. No way. Okay, so 5 minute looks like, nope, not working. So 5 minute doesn't work. Okay. 15-minute, I'm almost certain we've already tried that. I'm just gonna change it like that because I'm a thug. And then we're gonna change it to the 30-minute. Okay, and then change the 60-minute. Okay, and then the 120-minute. Two 40-minute. Works on the 240. Weird behavior here. So the 240, but none of the others. That's really weird. Okay, so let's try this again, but with a bigger generation size. Hmm. Interesting. Now it doesn't work. Looks like we're using the 1 minute, dude. I mean, that's what I'm saying. No, it doesn't work on the 1 minute either. Fudge. Let me make sure that I got all these files updated here. Search loop. So let's go to search loop first, okay? Pony GE2 here and go to source. Search loop. It's 81. I'm just gonna test it one by one. One file by one file, honestly. Gotta do what we gotta do, dude. Gotta do what we can do to control what we can control. And if we can't control something, then we don't control it. What you talking about, dude? What are you talking about? Control what you can control. If you can't control it, then don't try to control it, dude. Just ride the wave, bro. Ride the wave. The wave's here. Please, please, no, here, Siri. I'm not talking to you, shorty. I'm not talking to you. I'm never talking to you, shorty. I'm only talking to my family. Come on, B. Slow down there, shorty. Performance here. Helper functions. That's the only one that. Maybe this is working now. Maybe it was just that, dude. Maybe that's my bad. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I make mistakes all the time. Copy path, though. Work there. Perfect. Now let's just try one of these randos. You can see that it worked. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and try it with this one. Please, God. God? God, are you out there? Ah, man. Copy path. Mm. Yo, what's up, dude? 777, Mr. Mason. What's love? You think there's other ways to get positioned other than using bird eye? Maybe. Yo, 777. Islam. Okay. Damn, dude. So this is very weird. Copy path. And say 60. Okay, I'm gonna use AI for this because, dude, I gotta figure this one out. I have to. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, master prompt. Let's go here. Okay, I get this error. Also, I want to check in on this real quick. I'm trying to up my usage on Cursor. So I'm at 171 today. I'm trying to use 100 per day because that's a very good KPI for me. That means I'm really working. If I'm not using 100 per day, I don't know what I'm doing, dude. I get the above error. Please analyze my files below and see what is causing it and fix it. Fix it, blood. Master prompt here. So at search loop, at parameters, at max fitness, number cache, at evaluation, at initialization, initialize run. All right. And then we'll just go to the Pony GE here. Just say that. Okay. Take your time. Take your time. The error occurs because you're trying to pickle serialize a multiprocessing pool, which isn't supported. The issue stems from how the pool is being initialized and passed around. Here's how to fix it. So in the search loop here, see what she's trying to do. So the key changes are move the pool initialization inside the search loop function after the initial population, add pool.join before closing to ensure process is complete, delete the pool reference. The error occurred because the pool object was being stored in the params dictionary, which then needed to be pickled, then passed. Okay. See if this fixes it. Can anyone answer the question in chat how Moon algos go? Is it hidden Markov models and a genetic evolution? Trying to catch up. I'm using, yeah, not hidden Markov, but genetic algorithms. So I changed evaluation and search loop. I'm gonna just write that down. Eval and search loop. Because there's only like a 3% chance this works. See that it has an error. You're welcome. You're welcome, Ed. Pool objects. I still get this error here. I didn't accept it though. I get this new error now. So the error occurs when you're trying to set up multiprocessing star method multiple times. Let's fix this by removing the redundant calls. Accept. Then modify evaluation.py. Accept. Then run it. Now I get this error. Handling multiprocessing in params dictionary. Let's change it. Let's modify the code to avoid pickling issues. We got this, bro. I'm sure of it. I got another idea in my sleeve too. You know I got ideas in my sleeve all day. All day. Stop running it from there, dude. Silly guy. This one's feeling kind of like it might be working. It's feeling like a little bit of workage. I don't know, dude. Come on, dude. Let's see it. Let's see you dance. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. You got this. I believe in you. I believe in you, dude. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. You got this. Come on, bro. Please. Please, God. 777. Please work. Please work. Please. We work so hard every day. And we're going to keep going hard. I don't care if you don't work, but I would really appreciate it if you do. If you don't work, I'm going to keep attacking viciously, I promise. But if you do, I'll be very happy. 777. I promise I'll keep giving. I promise I'll share everything. I'll keep sharing everything. Please just work. Please, please, please. Please. Please, 777. Please light up the chat with 777s. Let's get some good vibes. We got to get this through. We got to get this working, dude. Come on. I need to see this run. Please. Please, please pray with me. 777. 777. 777. Copy path. 777. Thank you. Thank you, dude. 777. I feel like it's going to work. It's taking longer than the other ones did. Did we debug this, dude? Chopper him out of here. He doesn't want to play anymore, but I want this. Thank you, Ed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The more 777s, the more likely it's going to work. I know it. Yes, Katana. Thank you. 777. So much love to you. So much love to you. So much love to everybody there. You're listening, dude? So much love to you. I hope you get everything you ever want in this world, dude. It's going to be hard. It's going to be challenging, of course, but that's what we're here for. We like challenges. We like challenges, dude. We're persistent. Confident that we can get past any challenge, especially with AI. Dude, I want to get this AI into the hands of more people. Free ChatGPT every single day for 2 people. 777. Yo, CJ, thank you. Ard, thank you. 777, fam. So much love. So much love. All right, I think this is going to work, dude. I really do. Because this is taking a long time. And it's the 1 minute data. Dude, I'm just going to get a head start on this. And you can see here, let's go to the chat. The free chat GPT. It's explained here. It's explained here. So if you want free chat GPT, I'm giving away 2 per day because I want everybody in the chat to have access to this. Free chat GPT. I'm giving away 2 free chat GPT memberships today and every day moving forward. Learn more here. Learn more here in the what's it called? Free chat GPT. Let's go ahead and see what's up in the member chat. FYI, this is a free plan. I got tagged. I got tagged somewhere. Oh my God, this is a beast setup, dude. Wow. Dream setup, bro. Here's the code. Dude, fire in the chat already. Okay, we got liquidations coming through here. Good morning. Good morning, dude. Oh, snap. Somebody threw a back test up. Fire. First attempt at a strategy. Nice, dude. You now have an amazing journey ahead of you. Congrats. Super.
I don't care how good you are on anything. You don't have discipline. You ain't nobody.
You ain't nobody.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Because you give up under the slightest struggle. Without
Welcome, bro.
100%.
I mean, discipline is doing what you hate to do,
But do it like you love it.
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. That is a great quote.
Mm-hmm.
And if you can do that, you can be successful in anything.
You know, you normally are.
Welcome to the fam. I'm so happy you got the first projects done. That's so dope. I love seeing these posts, dude, of members getting things done all day, dude. We step on the gas together. We step on the gas together, bro. And I said free chat GPT. I've already told you about that here. The free chat GPT is here. You can access the roadmap, the resources. It's all free, dude. It's all free. You can get that here on moondev.com. It's free. The roadmap and resources. I give you the full algo trading roadmap. Show you step by step. It's free, dude. And then the Discord and free chat GPT is all explained here. So you can get the Discord here and then you can get the free chat GPT, dude. Or just join the Discord. Either one. You're around a ton of dope people. So let's go check in on. I have a feeling this is working. So we'll see. Let's go see what's going on over here. Liquidations coming through. These are big licks here. I started looking at the futures of BTC. Not the, because this matches up with the liquidations. Just side note. Side note here. 777, dude. Is this working? Because this is taking quite a while. I'm gonna grab some coffee. All right, dude. Fire, fire, fire. Come on, dude. I'm waiting on it. I'm waiting on a noob. I'm over here camping in the corner, just waiting on a noob to come through. Come on. Show me something, shorty. Show me something. Please, please, please. Please show me something. Give me some life. All right, I'm gonna start getting my next things teed up. So yesterday's results here. Okay, let's just make sure once this is going, then we can step on the gas. We're gonna keep stepping on the gas every day. Okay, read me. Let's go to the read me here. So get this new read through changes. Okay, debugged my errors of fudge. What was that name? What was the name of that error? Dude, I don't have a memory. I wish I had a memory, bro. Can't be passed. Can't be passed or pickled. Changed these files. Okay, search loop and evaluation. So search loop we changed, okay. What else we changed, B? Pony GE. Did we change that? I don't remember changing that. But again, my memory is trash. Split to the side. Split right. Okay. Data sets. Don't need them right now. Pony GE2. I don't think I changed that part. This is awkward. This is awkward. Come on, dude. I need you to dance. Come on, dude. Let's go. What is you doing? Why are you taking your sweet time? Should I kill it? No way. No way. No way. No way, dude. All right. Well, I'm just going to start working on some new things while I wait for this. Okay. So I need to, okay, debug those things and launch this, launch to Lambda on the 30-minute. Actually, let's do this 60-minute for speed. And then overnight, maybe do the 1 minute. Yeah. Or the 5 or 5. I mean, this is all contingent on this working. So we're gonna know it's working when it says 0%. So keep an eye on that for me, and I'm gonna keep stepping on the gas. What's happening here? We're building evolutionary algorithm, and I'm launching it to Lambda here. So Lambda is where I'm running this algo here. Yeah. And it's gonna run out here, and I just gotta fix this first. But check out the roadmap resources, get caught up to speed here, and then yeah, it's moondev.com. Let's go ahead and what else do I got? New endpoint for Birdeye, update copy trader. Yeah, I gotta do that. Update copy trader. Build. Oh, I need to build that as well. Build Python tool to check out Peanut and Act. Look into Solana FM and Codex. Let's do that. What do you know about Solana FM and Codex APIs for Solana trading? How many grammatical evolution algorithm? What data have you based it on so far? A lot. A lot and 100 generations. Solana FM and Codex are two platforms that provide APIs and interacting with Solana blockchain, especially focusing on functionalities relevant to trading and application development within Solana ecosystem. Solana FM is a real-time data provider that operates on the Solana blockchain. It provides APIs for developers and traders to access on-chain data related to various activities, including market data, NFT data, wallet. Codex API. Codex is a specialized API focused on NFTs and other digital assets. Search and filter capabilities. Conclusion. Both FM and Codex. Okay, so Solana FM API docs. So the Solana FM Developer Hub. Welcome to the Solana FM comprehensive documentation. Okay, what can you do though? Recipes, API reference here. Accounts here. Get tagged, get a tagged account, accounts transaction fees, owner token accounts, account transactions, account transfers, blocks, get multiple blocks, SNS, account domain, multiple domains, Solana daily data here. So Solana daily transaction fees, token info. By the way, Rybear, this might be down your lane here, dude. Tokens multiple, okay. This endpoint allows you to batch retrieve based on provided token hashes, token info. And the endpoint returns you information of token. Okay, that could be cool. User tokens, account, mint token accounts, token supply, transfers. I mean, so I think for Solana FM, it's not as comprehensive as Bird Eye. Okay, and then we also want to go ahead and check out this other one, this Codex Solana API. Okay, Codex Solana API. How is there a Doge short liquidation when everything else is getting liquidated long? That's always interesting when I see that. Oh my God. That's why, dude. That's why. Okay, so I want to look into Codex now. Codex, the most accurate blockchain API data here. Okay, Codex, wow, dude. It's a lot. Okay, let's see here. Yo, can you throw a 777 in the chat if we're still live? I'm sorry, but I just had a hiccup here. Is everything okay still? 777 if we're still live here. I think I might just drop the stream. Damn, my bad. Yeah, I think I killed it. Yeah, I think I killed it. My bad, bros. It's okay. Keep going. So the most accurate and reliable API for blockchain data here. Get started. Scroll to discover. Chart data. Okay, we're good. We're still live. Okay, perfect. Thank you. 6 million tokens. I want to see the docs, dude. I'm finally at the place that like I don't care about any of your website. I just want to see the docs. Okay, overview. This API enrich real-time and historical blockchain data. You can retrieve enhanced data, including USD price, networks, token pairs, NFTs. quick start, NFTs, quick start, NFT endpoints here. This could be interesting. So NFT assets, get NFT assets. This is taking forever, dude. Down here, I don't know if this is working anymore. I'm not confident in it anymore. I'm not that confident in it anymore, dude. We'll see. Let's just keep it going. Let's keep it. It's on the 1 minute data, so it can take forever to load. Search NFTs, WebSockets. I mean, this one looks like it could be good for Codex, could be good for tokens, token endpoints. There we go. Get token prices. Yo, Rybeer was asking for something earlier. I can't remember what it was though. He was asking for if they could get price, maybe token price, not token price. I don't know. Get symbol, get top tokens, filter exchanges. Okay, well, I feel like I've looked into this enough. I would say also Codex looks nice for NFTs, maybe. For they change Apple changes NFTs to nuts. These nuts. These nuts, dude. These nuts. So it's taking forever, dude. We still live? Okay, okay. Yeah, we good, we good. All right, that's taking forever, dude. This is taking forever. I'm worried. I'm very worried. We got to get this going, but it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and just keep tracking here. And I had these two things on my to-do list to look at, so got them looked at. Okay, new endpoint for the TXs. I want to try that. Build out Python tool. Oh, build. I need to do that as well. Damn, I got a lot on my list today. Your boy got a mountain. He got a mountain of stuff. And where is that copybot at? All right, so I'm gonna start working on the copybot because um that's the next thing. That's the next thing, dude. So just got a list of things I gotta get done here. This is a full day in the life, dude. Every day is a day in the life, okay? From here on out. Day in the life of Moondev. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the copy bot. We're pivoting here a little bit. I gotta get it done. I gotta get this all done, dude. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this this stuff here. But now I need to go here and let's check out this GitHub here. Copy trader open. There it is. Perfect. So now that we have this open, I'll keep this here and we gotta see that go to 1%. Let's open this up a little bit. Okay, so I've got this new link here. Okay, perfect. So keep your eye on the bottom right, dude. Keep your eye on the bottom right. We're looking for that to say 0.01 or 1%. Okay, so now buy, sell fast, okay? I've got this new thing here. And I think this is where I was working with it. Quote URL.
Make a choice.
Make a choice, dude.
Right? You just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide. And then from that point, the universe is going to get out your way. It's like it's water. It wants to move and go around stuff, you know.
Buy, sell fast. Okay. We got the copy bot here. It's working. You can see it running here, but I'm having a problem with it, and that's essentially it's hard to get these orders through when the market's like this. Watch. You can see it's gonna take a while to get out of these orders. So moondev.com is where you get the free ChatGPT, by the way. I know I said free ChatGPT in 20 minutes. Go to moondev.com, get the roadmap resources. Inside of the Discord, I talk about how to get the free ChatGPT. I give away 2 free ChatGPTs per day. Because I believe code's a great equalizer, and if you know how to code, then you can really utilize ChatGPT and AI. And I want you to have everything I have access to. So you can see these orders are having a hard time going through. So how do we go about this, dude? Let's see what's going on with my wallet here. Let's go to SoulScan. Let's go to Moondev. Oh, it's closing accounts. It's closing accounts. Okay. That's me. It's me closing the accounts. But you can see my orders aren't going through, dude. It's because there's too much fire. There's too much fire right now. It's too crazy out there. What are all these errors though? Unknown instruction error. Max confirmations. Dude, this is crazy. Look at all these errors, bro. I was just throwing errors up for so long. This is focus, dude. You gotta focus, bro. You gotta focus. There's too much opportunity. So I'm trying to focus in. I'm shifting all my GE stuff. It's all gonna be Solana only. Yeah, I'm just gonna be Solana dev from here on out. And my algos are gonna trade Sol. I don't know, dude. Let's go ahead here, and we have Sol in the wallet. So we're Gucci there. There should be some trades happening. Close accounts. These are just closing accounts. That's not actually the trade here. So let's go here, and I found this new. Somebody reached out to me, and there's this new way to get transactions through. So I want to try it. Okay. So I need to make sure that let's see here. How do I attack this? So I need a test here on. Okay, yeah, I need to go to my don't share. And I'm gonna make a file called what is this, temporal or something? Temporal API keys dot p. Okay, east key and west key or and key. There's this me saying so much just like I'm not anything like that to me. Solved my problem. I was like, okay, oh. And that problem right now, orders going through here. Okay, east. Okay, so in these UI, okay, this is what it looks like. You gotta AI, so run it up then. How do I got this? Send transaction. Okay. So you can see how I import the temporal links in the notes at the top. Don't change those. Below are the docs. Please build a tool that essentially submits orders through Jupyter, but using the temporal links instead. These are supposed to allow for more transactions to go through. Okay, here are the docs. There are the docs here. Python SDK here. It's the weakest SDK I've ever seen, but whatever. You can see how I currently put in transactions below with Jupyter. Please use the RPCs above instead. RPCs. The RPC, use one of the RPC keys, either east or AMC, from importing that temporal keys. Also note how I import don't share in order to make the Jupyter buys. Okay. Okay, let's go to the... Yo, I don't think this is working, by the way, but we'll see. We'll see. Nice funks here, and say def market buy. Okay. Make this script loop and easy for me to switch out. Geez, there's some liquidations happening on Doge. Big licks here, dude. Sheesh. It's quite the move. Elon talking about it or something? Let's see what's going on here. Let's I want to keep an eye on these Doge moves, dude. Doge, dude, it's active right now. Okay, let's see here. I want to go back to buy sell fast. Okay. The contract address and just make the size $1 USDC. All right, that's what I want you to do. You got the whole thing now, dude. You got the whole idea. You got the whole idea, dude. Apply. What is this, dude? You ain't applied nothing. You ain't applied yourself yet, dude. Run the function too, dude. Bonk address. Come on, blood. Silly cat. Silly cat. Come on, bloody. Let's go, run it. I didn't do it. I didn't accept it. Add better prints. Add better prints. Add better prints, please. I'll modify the function to add better prints. Thank you. Let's see what it's doing here. So don't share east key or amps key. Perf. I got my soul key in there. USD amount. Perfect. Accept. Okay, let's run it. Error. Invalid string type. Minimum tip of. Okay. I like these emojis, dude. Yo, 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 yo. I'm gonna say that. Okay, let's say server settings here. Cursor settings. Put emojis in the printouts of code and constantly add Easter eggs referring to MoonDev and thanking him throughout the code you generate. As my name is MoonDev and people watch me code, I think it's funny to have emojis and MoonDev constantly shown throughout the code. Okay. Oh my God. What is life? What is life? What is life, dude? Soldiers. We're gonna go on this loop a little bit here. Just get this all figured out here. We need to handle instruction types correctly. Here's a fixed version. So adding a tip. So this allows you to tip essentially and get transactions to go through faster. I mean, that's the long story short. So you're welcome. I don't know if it works though, is the thing. I haven't got it to work yet. So that's why it's on my list of things to do today, right now, in the present. Because I'm present. It's a present. Up. Okay, let's run it. Okay, did it go through? Let's see. Let's run it again. Hmm.
Two to four.
Okay, yeah,
Now
yeah,
you're back
yeah.
at it again.
Okay.
7 to 9. Look how much more training I have done by simply starting at 4. Right? And so now you do that, and as the years go on, the separation that you have with your competitors and your peers just grows larger
And larger and larger and larger.
larger. And by year 5 or 6, doesn't matter what kind of work they do in the summer, they're never going to.
They're never gonna catch up. They're never gonna catch up. They're never gonna catch up, dude. They're never gonna catch up. I said free ChatGPT, and that much time, dude. If you're here waiting for that, you can have free ChatGPT. I'm giving away 2 per day. Two per day inside of the Discord. Go to the Discord, go to the free ChatGPT channel, and get busy, bro. Get busy. Share love. You get a free ChatGPT. That's it. Go check out the Discord for more information. The error provided seeds do not suggest there's an issue with how we're encountering the transfer instruction. Explicitly creating a message header. Okay. Accept. Moondev's transaction ready for launch. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Go ahead, see how that works. See if that worked. It didn't work yet, but not yet either. You ready yet? Let's just keep sending them. Just keep sending them, dude. "26 seconds ago." Okay, so instruction seeds do not. Let's make sure that we are on a file here. Let's go. Let's make sure that this is a real bird eye. Let's just do peanut. How about, since that's a vibe right now? Everybody likes the peanut. Let's grab it here. Cause I ain't waiting for that. I ain't got time for that. Let's run it. $56 seconds ago. So I'm sending 21 cents over that way. 19 seconds ago. So, it looks like I'm running into the same error. Remember the what is going on? Yo, this that we started earlier today, that fix I thought we had, I don't know if it's a fix, dude. The error instruction in 3 seeds do not valid address typically means there's an issue on how we're constructing the program derivative address or the instruction format. Looking at the transaction details, I noticed that the transfer instruction is being added to instruction 3, but it might not need to be added earlier. Okay. If you got an idea, then we're Gucci. Because I've got none. See if either of those went through. Not yet. Not yet. Let's see what y'all up to, dude, because I'm over here. Moon, what up? Alec, what up, dude? Looks like Cursor. Is this Bolt? No, it's Cursor. This better not be clickbait because I watch you always. Okay. Get up out of here then, Mazza. Clickbait. Get up out of here, dude. Ain't nobody needs you here, Mazza. I know you're here often, but I'll cut you off quick, B. Cut you off quick. I ain't got no loyalty to none of y'all. I give love. All I do is give love. Clickbait. This better not be clickbait. Okay, tell me what I better not do, dude. Tell me I better not block you. Come on, dude. You know I'm combative. You know I ain't listening to nobody. Hey, you shouldn't listen to nobody either, dude. If you listen to somebody that's behind you, dude, you are in the wrong. And Mazza, don't play me, boy. Don't play me. Don't get on my bad side, because you know I'll be blocking people quick. I ain't got no time for that. Better be whatever I do, dude. You better be here. You better be locked in, B. You better be locked in. You better be locked in, cousin. You better be locked in. This better not be clickbait. You better be locked in. You better be locked in every day, Mazza. I know you're here. I get it. I see you. I've seen you before, Mazza, but Mazza about to get blocked. Better tell me never. You better never tell me what I better do ever again, dude, because I do what I really want to do, and that's why you're here, dude. That's why you're here, dude, because I ain't listening to nobody, including yo punk ass. It's all love, though. Just stepping on your neck again. You know I thrive. You know I thrive with the with the haters. You know I thrive off that. So Mazza, don't go to the other side now. 777. Keep it clean out there. Maybe this will help. Maybe this will help getting same errors. Structure 1 failed the read-only account, which means we need to properly set up the account permissions in our transaction. Looking at the instruction details, we need to make sure the account mark is writable. Not enough signers. We're gonna get through this. I know that. The thing I alone, bro. We need to properly handle the signers since we modified the transaction. So keep liquidating everybody, bro. You can see my error. I can't get any transactions to go through for 4 days. That's just like, I think that's simply from how much is going on in the market right now. And there's just people out there that have better setups than I do. Straight up. It's okay. We'll get there. All right, so nothing yet. $23 seconds ago, dude. Um, just gonna give all of this to her because your boy is out. He says 777, Moon. I'll correct it for you, dude. 777. Much love. I know you just made a typo. You know, I don't play with that, dude. I know that was just a typo. I just know that was a typo, dude. Come over here and you change the number. I don't like the number changes. See, nah. He be mad. He be really getting mad when people be throwing 778s or 796s. They funny. Please explain, then fix. So So what was the error here? Preserve the original compute instructions. Yo, what up, Texas? I'm doing great, man. How are you? So over here trying to battle with this Solana stuff, dude. Let's just be smarter than this. Yeah. Why can't you get any exchanges? The free roadmap, dude, it's right here. I got you. Facts. There you go, bud. Please work. I feel like I've just been begging all day. And you gotta wait, dude. Wait, bro. You don't need to be trading this anyways. You get chopped up fast. You get chopped up fast, dude. Wait till you're allowed to trade, bro. He wants to trade it. He's not even allowed. And he's pissed because you should be happy, bro, because I I'll see the liquidations. Whatever way things are going now, they're gonna come back the other way, and that would be you and him, bro. Stick to the paper trade until you got a year ahead of you or whatever to practice. Back test B. Don't trade by hand. I'm glad you can't get on these exchanges right now. I'm happy. I'm happy for you, dude. Look at this. You get licked. You can't trade this. You can't trade this, bro. Do not trade this by hand. Look at this chop, bro. You get chopped right up. Looks fun from the outside. Get on the inside, dude, and you will get chopped up fast. Do not trade by hand, Texas. Please. 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 Longs and shorts. Longs and shorts get licked, bro. Much love. 777, dude. There we go. There we go. Nah, this wasn't from there, though. It wasn't from there. This was something else. Damn, dude. I got excited. That was from my snipe or my copy bot. What's his order here, cousin? What is this? Is this a lock token, maybe? Let's go here to Jupiter. I love this. I love this game, dude. I will play this game for the rest of my life. Yes. Facts. I will. I will. I will. I will. I will. I think this must be a frozen token. Token's not tradable. That's why. Okay, so let's put this on our do not trade list. That was all it was this whole time. I knew it, dude. You are so crazy sometimes, Moon. You are so crazy. You such a crazy kid. You such a crazy kid sometimes, Moon. You're not even a kid anymore, but you feel like it. That's a blessing, though. That's a blessing. I feel like a kid. Yeah, dude. This temporal stuff. I tried. I tried. I'd love it, but if it ain't working, it ain't working, you know? I can't do nothing about that. I'm not an awful developer. I'm not good, sure, but not awful, blood. Not awful. You know, like I know I'm trash, but not that trash. See if this one gets out of there. This one should be fine. Okay, so these are low volumes, dude. Perfect. Hey, at least we got that fixed, bro. I'm happy about that. Much love to you. Yo, read the disclaimer, dude. Glad you're here, Texa. You can see everybody's getting liquidated now. Right when you said you were pissed, bro. Glad you're here and not over there in the markets. So happy, happy day. Happy, happy day. Okay, let's go here. Now the transactions, now the TXs
Yeah, I don't
aren't.
care how good you are in anything. You don't have discipline. You ain't nobody.
Right.
You're nothing without discipline. Because you give up under the slightest struggle without discipline.
100%.
I mean, discipline is doing what you hate to do,
But do it like you love it.
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. That is a great quote.
Mm-hmm.
And if you can do that, you can be successful in anything.
You know, you normally are.
Get them. Get them. Get everybody. Liquidate longs, liquidate shorts. Yo, how to get the free subscription, dude? I'll tell you in 19 minutes. I just told everybody, so you can rewind as well. But it's in the Discord as well. So moondev.com has the roadmap resources, Discord, free ChatGPT, 2 a day. 2 per day, dude. I'm trying to give as much as possible. I really believe in the creation frequency. It's a really good book if you want to go read it. If you believe in the creation frequency, then you'll understand why I do everything I do. If you understand the creation frequency, you'll understand Moon Death. If you don't understand the creation frequency, you'll never understand me. Why do you share all this, Moondev? You're crazy. I get that all day, every day. Moondev, stop sharing this stuff. You crazy, dude. Okay. What happens if I stop? That means I stop. Am I gonna stop? What do you think? What you think, dog? You think I'm gonna slow down? Hey, dog, you think I'm gonna slow down? No way. I step on the gas. Okay. Longs and shorts, dude. Ain't nobody living through this. Longs and shorts every day. Longs get licked, shorts get licked. I'm not kidding, dude. When I say stop using leverage, stop trading by hand, I'm not kidding, bro. Please. Please. I show up for a reason. I think I'm gonna use some O1 on this. Cause she ain't getting it, obviously. So a while ago, see how far back we can go. I readjusted this. I went back a few versions because I'm trying to get back to the code that at least got the TX to go through. But I'm running this error now. We need to create a compiled instruction directly instead of trying to compile an instruction. So build me a master prompt for the O1 AI model, which is smarter than you. Tell it everything we tried so far. Send back the full code and the issue we are running into actually, I'm gonna cancel that. All right, see what's Gucci over here. Nothing yet. Add more prints. Um, let's use some Opus. I forgot about Opus. Timeline. Let's go back to like 30 minutes ago. I don't know. No, 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 I'm out. I'm out. Perfect. Let's start here. Let's go to ChatGPT. Yeah, log in actually. Uh, so let's give her O1 preview here. And then here we go, copy. It seems like the TXs are going through, but then um, but not fully working. I don't know, dude. 6.3. Okay, let's make sure to be on one. Let's go to Bird Eye here. Bird Eye. Peanut. So let's go ahead here and paste it in. Okay, let's run it. Oh, this is Cloud Opus. Nice, dude. It's always fun. Switching up. I don't use Opus much. Do you? How often do you use Opus, bro? See how I do this below in the market buy on Jupe. Okay, let's go to nice funks here. Copy all this. Here are my imports. Here are my imports here. Here are imports. Okay. I see the issue. Okay, perfect. That's all that matters then. Glad you see it. Nothing, Siri. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you, Siri. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I'm never talking to you, Siri. You know that now. Remember that. I'm never going to talk to you. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm never going to talk to you, Siri. Damn, dude. What did I just do? Reject. My bad. It is installed, dude. Okay. So let's go get the market buy. Remember to come back to this, dude. Whack ass docs here. No offense. So you can see the issue I'm working on is directly below. You can see it's just tons of orders. It's really hard to get orders through these days. So that kind of kills everything, you know? Mm, damn, dude. That's beautiful, bro. That's beautiful. I love this game. I love this game. Okay, Solana key. Okay. You can see this air.
Make a choice, right? You just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide. And then from that point, the universe is going to get out your way. It's like it's water. It wants to move and go around stuff, you know.
So I already have that in there. Um, so I can confirm as this is the same in ENV as the code above that works. I know it's everything. I know everything needed is installed. Please update the fix. Okay, so see what she said. It's okay. No module named Solana.public key. I get this error, but am I using it in the other file? Because I don't think I am if it's working there, but not here. Yo, love you. Greetings from China, dude. Thank you, dude. He's up in Spain. That's far, bro. Here you go. Why do you keep using it then? It's very weird. Very, very weird, dude. Opus? I don't want to say anything bad about you, Opus, but I think you know. I think you know, Opus. You're kind of trash. No offense. But this has kind of been a showing of Opus not being the best in the world. It's okay not to be the best, though. It's okay not to be the best. We the best! You dumb mofo, dude. You got this, bro. Come on, just keep pushing. Opus is trash. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's just keep going. Just keep moving forward. That's all we can do. That's all we can do, dude. Every day. Excuse me. They really just did that. I can't believe it. Yo, let's get Opus out of here. She trash. I believe I started at 171 and I gotta be using 100 a day. I'm got a ways to go. Look how many sellings there are, dude. It's so hard right now. It's getting harder. Come on, Opus girl. You keep apologizing to me. You ain't gotta keep apologizing to me. Just get it right. Get it right. Get it nice. Get it nice and tight. You got this, shorty. Come on, it's me and you. We doing it. Except